Hello, welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. I have another grocery haul for you today, but first I thought I would show you how I do my meal planning. I've been coming up with meals and writing them down on the calendar. So today is Thursday. We are going to have a salad and rotisserie chicken. Tomorrow we're having bean and cheese burritos. Saturday we're going to have chili at... I'm going to make a big pot of chili, and there's a chili cook-off at our church. Sunday we're going to have salad and pizza. Monday we're going to have chicken burritos. Tuesday we're going to have the same thing we had last week, which is like a cream of chicken mushroom with pasta. And we're going to have stroganoff with some stewing meat I have in the freezer. So here's my grocery haul. Overall, I spent at Costco $86.16, and at Trader Joe's I spent only $6.86. So here at Trader Joe's I got bananas. My husband actually prefers the bananas at Trader Joe's versus the ones at Costco, even though I think they're all Dole bananas. I got a can of garbanzo beans, a can of organic Great Northern beans, and a can of kidney beans. These are for the chili I'm making. We really like this tandoori garlic naan bread from Trader Joe's, and so we're making pizzas again with it this week. Got the rotisserie chicken. This is really the best deal on chicken. So we got that again. We got another 2 dozen of eggs. I got mushrooms, portobello again. I really was hungry for some Brussels sprouts. I saw some Brussels sprouts in the frozen section, but they have, they're seasoned with olive oil and salt and pepper, and I've been trying not to cook with olive oil because it oxidizes and yeah, it goes bad. So it's not good to cook with olive oil. It's better to put it on salads and stuff. So I just got the plain fresh Brussels sprouts. I got more tortillas. We eat these a lot. I was looking at all the spices and I found this organic Ceylon cinnamon, so I thought I would give that a try as we're getting low on cinnamon. Got more organic butter. Got more of the Chobani plain yogurt. I like to eat this with fruit. I also like to use it in place of sour cream. I thought I could put it in the stroganoff this week. I got avocado oil. We were out completely. On our pizzas, we thought we'd do pineapple pizzas and like pineapple and bacon pizzas. And so I picked up a fresh pineapple so we can eat that on our pizza and throughout the week. The girls have been sick, and so their tummies have been weird. They've not had such a great appetite. So I want to get them some probiotics. So I got this kombucha. I also got some Epsom salts. We're going to be doing some make it and take it classes, and so I got this, and then also for our own baths. And I also picked up a big 25-pound bag of all-purpose flour for baking. So here's my grocery haul from Costco and Trader Joe's. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I upload a grocery haul every week. Goodbye.